Today we have an exciting lifetime deal on a tool that can help you to collect local leads automatically from Google Maps. This offer is perfect for anyone who needs fast and accurate business information without spending hours to doing manual work. It's a rare chance to get a tool like this for one-time payment, so it's definitely worth to checking out. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grab the best deal or the digital deals and discount when they appear. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to get the discounted offer. You don't need to use any coupon code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use our link from description. Now let's talk about the Google Maps scraper. This tool is made for the people who want local leads but don't have time to copy details one by one from Google Maps. It takes care of most of the hard work for you. The process is very simple. You just enter the keyword or the location and the tool is start collecting the business data in the background. The process is very simple. You just enter the keyword and the location. The tool starts collecting the business data in the background. It pulls out things like business name, phone number, email if available, websites, rating, reviews, and many more useful details. This saves a huge amount of time compared to doing it manually. One of the best thing is the accuracy because the data comes from the Google Map and you get the highly reliable information. You can quickly download the data in a file and you can use it for marketing, outreach, client research, or even building your own agency service. Another nice feature is how fast it works. Instead of waiting for hours, you see the results very quickly. Even if you search the large areas, you can get the result very quickly. So it allows you to use the different keyword and different cities so you can collect thousands of leads in just a short time. The interface is very clean and beginner friendly. You don't need any advanced skills to use it. Everything is clean and simple and obviously smooth. You just type your search and the tool handles the rest work. On AppSumo, the lifetime deal makes it even better because you don't need to worry about paying every month. You get the long-term access to a powerful scraper without any extra cost in future. If you are a freelancer, agency owner, or someone who collects leads for marketing, this tool can save you hours of every week. It helps you to stay ahead of your competitors because you can generate more leads in less time. It also reduces the mistakes because everything is automated and consistent. So if you want a fast and easy way to collect local business leads from Google Map, then this lifetime deal is a great option for you. So make sure to check the link from the description so you don't miss the discount. And thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.